is Abhijit Bhamre, chairman of Yashwin Building C Cooperative Housing Society. Basically, we were trying to reduce the overall maintenance cost of the society because there are a lot of amenities inside the society, so we wanted to reduce the overall maintenance cost. So one of the option was going for a solar energy. So our electricity bill was coming around 22,000 rupees per month. So that was the major cost. So we decided that we should look for this solar energy option. There was very less clarity on the proposal and the materials they are going to use. The cost estimation and all were not very clear. Then we got a reference of Voltstar Solar from one of our committee members. We approached Mr. Sagar for that. We called him initially for an introduction. He gave us overall details about the actual requirement. This plant is around 15 kV and that was sufficient for reducing the total cost of the electricity. That was around 22,000 for this building. Introduction was done and then we prepared our questions, all our doubts about the material that is going to be used and overall schedule of this setup. And then we called Mr. Sagar again. All our questions were answered with clarity about the payment terms, clarity about the material that is going to be used, the models or the brands that are going to be used for panels, for inverters and all. And then finally we decided to go with the Voltstar. Our electricity bill is almost zero now. It's only around 600 rupees. That is the basic cost that we are paying. So we are saving around 21,000 rupees per month with this setup. And we have added an extension of 4 kV more. Like this plant is set up for 15 kV and then we have an approval for 19 kV. So in future, if needed, we will be upgrading the panels to make it 19 kV. So as of now, it is we are in surplus. We are generating more energy than the consumption. It has been a good experience with working with Voltstar Solar for this. The way they approach, they prepare the schedule, set up the plant as per the schedule. Voltstar people handle that very well.